Excellency. Welcome to the Office of the Revenue Service. Go.
Capital Territory, Chief Barrister is on the list of Wike, CAN, senior officials of the FCT here seated. Honorable Minister, sir, with us this afternoon is the Somalian ambassador to Nigeria, His Excellency Jamal Mohammed.
Your Excellency, the Somalian ambassador to Nigeria, and our entourage is myself, Dr. Benedict Ochoa, the special ambassador to the ambassador, and Ms. Brenda Ape, the PA to the ambassador.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and congratulations for the appointment as a Minister of FCT. As diplomatic missions, we feel now in safe hands, and we are feeling that improvement is going on in terms of security and in terms of service delivery. I hope Abuja will be the best capital city in the world in the future under your leadership. As you know, with Somalia, first of all, our President sent his congratulations to you as a Minister of FCT, and he hopes that you will be one day in Somalia, in Mogadishu, and he will receive you. As you know, Excellency, Somalia has been in conflict for a long, long period, but now it's recovering, and it shifted from central government to federalism now, unitary to federalism. It has its own challenges to be from unitary to federal government, federal system. So we hope that Nigeria is the best role model for Somalia now, since because we have gone through the same experiences, like civil war, like terrorists, all these things. So we feel that Nigeria can be our example in the future, especially the capital city of Abuja. Mogadishu is our capital city. Up to now, we don't have a capital act as a federal government. That's one issue. I would like to say happy birthday. Your birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday. That is that we want you to assist us how we create cooperation between the two capital cities. As you know, there is a long history between Somalia and Nigeria. They were friends. They were just helping each other in every forum, world forum. Now you have to assist us how we can bring back that history and be cooperative between the two capital cities, Abuja and Mogadishu. There is a book written about Mogadishu history. I'll just present to you, so you read it, then we'll come back again. That's the main issue I want to see. And the other thing, I would like to invite you to come to Mogadishu and see Mogadishu, how is Mogadishu working. The second thing that for the last 3 years, we were struggling to get Chancery land here in Abuja. Fortunately, we have gone through all the process, all the requirements, and it was the final stage. It was on the desk of the minister to approve it. The previous minister. Unfortunately, there was an election campaign, and he was very busy. That didn't happen. So now we are humbly requesting you to just approve that Chancery land, and then we have to start building the Chancellor here. We want Nigeria to be our second house, second country, second home, and you shall have a strong relationship between the two countries. Thank you for giving me your time, and thank you.
Well, thank you, Excellency, members of your delegation. Let me, on behalf of the FCT, welcome you to the FCT office, and also congratulate you too, the head as ambassador representing Somalia. You did say very well, which is clear, that Somalia and Nigeria has some history. Unfortunately, it's not a very good one in terms of civil war.
Yeah, of course.
We had that experience, and we believe that by grace of God, Somalia will come out of that and face development. It is not easy when a country is facing war and then that retards development. I can imagine what you are passing through. Mogadishu is a city, the capital of Somalia. We would also love to have experience of how the city looks like. So it is our belief that we'll work out the arrangement, see how we can share things and pass on experiences in terms of development of cities. We will immediately call for a file so that you can have your personal plan to be able to build your own chancery. It's unfortunate that that has been there. Yeah. I can assure you that after this discussion, I will call for a file.
Thank you.
And have it approved so you can start building.
Thank you very much.
Chancery.
Thank you very much.
And we think that if there are things, security is very key for us here.
Yeah, yeah.
And like I said, we have improved on security.
Of course, yeah.
Where we are now may not be what we want to be or where we want to be, but we still believe there's still room for improvement. Thank you for sharing with us your experiences.
Yeah.
We are here to make things comfortable for our guests.
Thank you very much.
Whatever you think that the FCT will do not hesitate to let us know. We are always willing to cooperate with our guests, particularly foreign mission. So we're happy to receive you here.
Thank you very much.
On behalf of Mr. President, let me say congratulations again.
Sure.
And I'm sure that we'll have a robust relationship as time goes on.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.